Hi guys, and welcome to Sniper Scale Models. This is going to be a quick mail call and a quick update. We got on with the mail call quickly. I got your card in, I think it was last week, Martin. Thanks for that, mate. I know you've received mine. I really appreciate it. The words on the back, I couldn't agree more, mate. We definitely need some more. Just in case you hadn't noticed, I'm a bit coldy, bunged up and stuff. Also, I'd like to say thanks to Edgar. Got yours, mate. Yours is putting yours in the post in the next couple of days. I love the podcast. If you're on Spotify or iTunes or anything, go and check out the Scale Riders podcast. He has some great people on there, like Freddie from H-Town Moulder Shop, George from Vision 124, and Amonde Flores, and the list goes on, mate. List goes on. But yeah, check it out. Great guy. Does a lot for the community as well. So yeah, check it out. Also, excuse me, I'm losing my voice. A bit more progress on the Willies. Last year's obviously gas group build. Painted the chassis, started painting the suspension parts. Started painting the suspension parts, but I have a bit of an issue. The engine's all primed and ready, but somewhere along the line I've managed to lose the stacks for the blower, and also the headers for it. It's a blown 427 Ford overhead cam engine. If anybody's out there's got those laying about, give me a shout. Otherwise it's gonna have to be put in and put in my garage diorama, maybe some rags over the heads and the top of the blower. It's a diorama piece, I guess. Excuse me. But yeah, I do have some other projects on the go that are a bit out of reach. But yeah, I've got a few projects on the go. Obviously, I'm on holiday this week, creating a meal. So I've been working on my garage diorama. There's you on the Facebook groups and Instagram. On my Instagram, you've probably already seen the progress I've made on it so far. I am starting work. I am working on another project, but I'm not going to tell you what it is. I've also back onto the 40s low life. I need to get that going again, but I need to obviously redo the back section. We'll do it as a pickup, as you know. We're going to redo the back section. Excuse me. But I also need to cast the hood. I have a couple of 40s like kits in my stash anyway. Me being a fan of 40s motors. So yeah, I have a couple of I have a standard coupe and 40s pickup and that, so I'll probably have to cast the hood on it, and yeah, because the one that I had that I split just went peaked on. It's because it was like a panel van's gasser style thing, like that one. But yeah, anyway, I'm rambling on, guys. You've heard enough of me today. I just want to say thanks for everybody subscribing. I really appreciate it. I really appreciate everybody viewing. Yeah, thank you very much, guys. See you later. Bye.